Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Block and allowed apps in Ava's antivirus. Welcome to this video. I'm going to teach you how to block and allow apps in Ava's antivirus. The first thing you need to do is open up your Ava's antivirus. This is very useful if you don't want an application download by others using your computer, or if you want an application download but your Ava's antivirus treats it as a threat, but you wanted to allow to download proceed. This video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open your Avis antivirus. Once you're here, click on the menu. After clicking on the menu, you'll see settings. Then click on settings. After clicking on settings, will see here block and allowed apps. Click on it. And here are all the lists that you can block. As you can see, I blocked this. And here are all the allowed that I've made a they call this that I've allowed, even if they are automatically blocked. There you go. And to add one in the block, just click on the this one here. And to add ones in the allowed, just click on it. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys, you can also block devices right here. You can see. You guys. And there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.